4858. What is the primary bank instrument while transitioning from straight and level flight to a standard rate turn to the left? A. Attitude indicator. B. Heading indicator. C. Turn coordinator, miniature aircraft. The correct answer is A. Attitude indicator. The attitude indicator, also known as the artificial horizon, provides information about the aircraft's pitch and bank attitudes. It is a crucial instrument for establishing and maintaining the desired aircraft attitude during flight. Transitioning to a standard rate turn. When transitioning from straight and level flight to a standard rate turn, the primary concern is to establish the correct bank angle for the turn. The attitude indicator allows the pilot to visually set and maintain the desired bank angle by referencing the horizon representation on the instrument. Bank control. The attitude indicator helps the pilot make accurate and precise bank angle adjustments. By monitoring the attitude indicator, the pilot can smoothly roll the aircraft into the desired bank angle for the left turn. Therefore, when transitioning from straight and level flight to a standard rate turn to the left, the primary bank instrument is the attitude indicator. It provides the necessary information for setting and maintaining the desired bank angle throughout the transition. 4859. What is the third fundamental skill in attitude instrument flying? A. Instrument crosscheck. B. Power control. C. Aircraft control. The correct answer is C. Attitude instrument flying. Attitude instrument flying refers to flying an aircraft solely by reference to instruments without relying on external visual cues. It requires a set of fundamental skills to maintain precise control and navigate the aircraft safely. Aircraft control. Aircraft control is a crucial skill in attitude instrument flying. It involves manipulating the aircraft's flight controls, such as the yoke, control wheel, rudder pedals, and throttle, to maintain the desired attitude, altitude, airspeed, and heading. Precise control inputs are necessary to fly the aircraft accurately and safely solely by reference to instruments. Fundamental skills. In attitude instrument flying, there are three fundamental skills that work together: cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control. Cross-check involves systematically scanning and interpreting multiple instruments. Instrument interpretation is the ability to understand and interpret instrument indications, and aircraft control is the skill of manipulating the aircraft's controls to maintain the desired flight parameters. By combining these three fundamental skills, pilots can effectively and safely fly an aircraft using only the instruments, even without external visual references. 4862. What is the first fundamental skill in attitude instrument flying? A. Aircraft control. B. Instrument crosscheck. C. Instrument interpretation. The correct answer is B. The first fundamental skill in attitude instrument flying is instrument crosscheck. It involves continuously scanning and interpreting the flight instruments to maintain accurate and reliable information about the aircraft's attitude, heading, altitude, and airspeed. By cross-checking the instruments, pilots can detect any deviations from desired parameters and make the necessary control inputs to maintain safe and precise flight. 4863. As power is reduced to change airspeed from high to low cruise and level flight, which instruments are primary for pitch, bank, and power, respectively? A. Attitude indicator, heading indicator, and manifold pressure gauge, or tachometer. B. Altimeter, attitude indicator, and airspeed indicator. C. Altimeter, heading indicator, and manifold pressure gauge, or tachometer. The correct answer is C. As power is reduced to change airspeed from high to low cruise in level flight, the primary instruments for pitch, bank, and power, respectively, are altimeter. The altimeter indicates the aircraft's altitude and is primarily used for pitch control. As power is reduced, maintaining altitude requires adjusting the pitch to compensate for the decrease in lift. Heading indicator. The heading indicator, also known as the directional gyro, provides the aircraft's heading. It is primarily used for bank control. When power is reduced, the aircraft's tendency is to yaw, and using the heading indicator helps maintain coordinated flight by adjusting the bank angle. Manifold pressure gauge or tachometer. The manifold pressure gauge, for piston engine aircraft, or tachometer, for turbine engine aircraft, is primarily used for power control. As power is reduced, monitoring and adjusting the manifold pressure or RPM, revolutions per minute, helps maintain the desired airspeed during the transition from high to low cruise. 4865. Which instrument provides the most pertinent information, primary, for bank control and straight-in, level flight? A. Turn and slip indicator. B. Attitude indicator. C. Heading indicator. The correct answer is C. In straight and level flight, the instrument that provides the most pertinent information, primary, for bank control is the heading indicator. The heading indicator, also known as the directional gyro, displays the aircraft's heading. It is used to monitor and maintain the desired bank angle during straight and level flight. By referencing the heading indicator, pilots can ensure that the aircraft maintains a constant heading and stays on the desired track. Any deviations from the intended heading can be corrected by making appropriate bank inputs using the ailerons.